Oil expenditures ease on recession fears. Headed for third weekly loss. Tokyo oil fees eased on Friday as lingering fears of a recession demand weighed on sentiment, putting the benchmarks on course for their 0.33 directly weekly losses. Brent crude futures were down 20 cents, or 0.2%, at $108.83 a barrel through 0428 GMT, giving up earlier gains of over $1. WTI crude futures for August transport slid 37 cents, or 0.4%, to $105.39 a barrel, additionally surrendering an early advantage of nearly $1. Both contracts fell around 3% on Thursday. Earlier inside the session, the marketplace took a breather from Thursday's sell-off as the OPEC Plus gave no marvel, saying it might stick to its planned oil output hikes in August, mentioned Tsuyoshi Ueno, senior economist at NLI Research Institute. But uncertainty over OPEC Plus policy in and after September and fears that the competitive rate hikes via the Federal Reserve might cause a U.S. recession and bog down gas demand dampen sentiment, he said. On Thursday, the OPEC Plus group of producers, inclusive of Russia, agreed to stick to its output strategy after days of conferences. However, the manufacturer membership avoided discussing policy from September onwards. Previously, OPEC Plus determined to boom output each month by means of 648,000 barrels per day (BPD) in July and August, up from a preceding plan to add 432,000 barrels of oil per day in line with month. U.S. President Joe Biden will make a three-stop ride to the Middle East in mid-July that consists of a visit to Saudi Arabia, pushing strength policy into the spotlight because the United States and different international locations face soaring fuel prices that are using up inflation. Biden said on Thursday he might now not without delay press Saudi Arabia to boom oil output to cut down hovering prices while he sees the Saudi king and crown prince during a go-to this month. All eyes are on whether or not Saudi Arabia or some other Middle Eastern oil manufacturers would bolster output to reply the U.S. request, NLI's Ueno mentioned. Elsewhere, 74 Norwegian offshore oil people at Equinor's Gudrun, Oseberg South and Oseberg East structures will go on strike from July 5, the Lettern Alternate Union stated on Thursday, possibly shutting about 4% of Norway's oil manufacturing. Oil expenses are expected to stay above $100 a barrel this 12 months as Europe and different regions combat to wean themselves off Russian deliver, a poll showed on Thursday, though economic dangers may want to sluggish the climb.